Good morning everyone. Welcome back to Enhance Your Skills. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to write an article. So, let's begin. So, firstly, let us discuss about what an article basically is. An article is an objective piece of writing about a particular subject. It is generally written in order to be published in a newspaper or a magazine. So, an article is a piece of writing which is written for a large audience. The main motive behind writing an article that it should be published in either newspapers or magazines or journals so that it can make some difference to the world. So, an article must be organized in a proper way so that it can draw the attention of the readers. The basic format for an article is the heading or the title, the byline, it is the line that has the writer's name, the content, which is further divided into three parts: the introduction, the body or exposition, and conclusion. Now let us get to know about the format of the article in detail. Firstly, the heading. So the heading of the article should be brief and eye-catching. It should be of 4 to 6 words. Secondly, we need to write the byline, which is the line that has the writer's name. Now let us see how to write the content of an article. The content of an article consists of three parts: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. The introduction of an article should state the topic clearly. It should draw the attention of the readers with a question, a fact, or a quotation. We need to place the topic in a particular perspective or point of view and clarify the plan and the limit of the topic. We need to clarify about what we are going to write in the exposition or body and all that. We need to be clear and precise to our readers. The second part of the content is the body or the exposition. The body of the article should contain some facts, figures, arguments, and reflections. It should be developed logically, and a proper link of each detail should be maintained. Let us look at the three techniques we can use to write the body or the exposition of an article. The first technique is to write the advantage versus disadvantage. Let us say the topic is online shopping. We can write the advantages, the disadvantages of the online shopping, and we can compare that. The second technique is to write the causes and the effects. And the third technique is to write the problem and the solution to that problem. The third part of the content should be the conclusion. So the conclusion sums up what we have said earlier. We can conclude with a caution, a warning, a hope, or an appeal. The conclusion should be satisfactory, not sudden and abrupt. That was all for the format. Now let us discuss an example so that we can understand what an article is in a better manner. The heading of the article is the pros and cons of online classes. The byline is by XYZ, that is a random initial assigned. Now let's discuss the introduction. The widespread outbreak of coronavirus had led to moving towards online classes by schools, colleges, and coachings. Although these classes are able to mitigate the loss of studies to some extent, they have imposed some major concerns as well. Online classes are available to a student sitting anywhere in the world. It has eliminated the time and cost required to reach the school or college and prevented the loss of studies, especially this year, even though lockdown was imposed. Though students are trying to manage their studies, there are some major concerns. One of the biggest problems is that internet connectivity is not proper in many places, so students are not able to connect to classes. Another big problem is the lack of one-to-one teaching. Due to it, students find it very difficult to ask questions if they have a doubt. Also, the overuse of electronic devices for studies has resulted in various health issues. That was all for the body or the exposition of the article. Now let us discuss the conclusion, which gives the impression that what we have said and what we wanted to say. At present, both teachers and students have adopted this new model of education and are trying to get used to it with each passing day. If we can try to resolve the problems related to this model, it will be a big revolution in the coming years. This was all for the example. You can pause the video and take a screenshot to go through the example. That was all for today's video. I hope you have understood about what an article writing is. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment in the comment section. Thank you.